Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cartridge inside your Kraus single-handle kitchen faucet. If your faucet is leaking, dripping, or you're noticing reduced control over water temperature or pressure, chances are the ceramic cartridge needs replacing. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, your faucet will be working like brand new. Let's get started. Tools and parts needed. Replacement Kraus cartridge. Make sure it matches your faucet model. Allen key, usually included with the faucet. Adjustable wrench. Phillips screwdriver. Towel or rag. Bucket or bowl to catch any water. Silicone grease, optional but recommended for smoother operation. Step 1. Turn off water supply. Turn off your water supply. You'll find shut-off valves under your sink for both hot and cold water. Once the water is off, open the faucet to relieve any remaining pressure in the lines. Step 2. Remove the handle. Now we'll remove the handle. Look underneath or behind the handle for a set screw. You'll need a 2.5mm Allen key to loosen it. Once loose, pull the handle straight off. Set it aside safely. Step 3. Remove the old cartridge. Now gently pull the old cartridge out. If it's stuck, wiggle it back and forth or use pliers, taking care not to damage the faucet body. Inspect the cartridge. You might notice where cracks or mineral buildup, common reasons for faucet malfunction. Step 4. Install the new cartridge. Before installing the new cartridge, apply a small amount of silicone grease to the rubber seals and O-rings. This helps prevent leaks and makes the handle movement smoother. Now insert the new cartridge into the faucet body. Make sure the alignment pins match the notches inside. Press it down firmly until it's seated properly. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Replace the retaining nut and tighten it with a wrench. Snug, but don't over-tighten. Then screw the decorative collar or trim back on. Slide the handle back onto the cartridge stem, align it, and tighten the set screw with your Allen key. Step 6. Turn on water and test. Turn your water supply back on. Slowly open the faucet and check for proper flow, temperature mixing, and most importantly, no leaks. Move the handle around to ensure smooth operation. If everything feels good, you did it. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the cartridge in your Kraus single-handle faucet, saving time, money, and possibly a call to the plumber. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home improvement tips and DIY guides. For more support, visit KrausUSA.com or contact our friendly customer service team. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfectly working faucet.